As an outcome and the causal link, yani sababi bağlanışı, oqibat bilan jinoyat va oqibat o'rtasidagi sababiy bog'lish causal link and the methods, yani jinoyatni ishlash usullari, sodir qilish usullari, time, place, and
Biz.
circumstance. Okay, yeah. In other words, so for example, if someone shoots other person, there is there a objective side one or the other? If someone shoots another person, well, the objective side of it is the act of shooting is itself the objective side, yes? If someone steals money, if somebody steals someone's money, so the act of stealing money or the act of stealing someone's property is itself objective side of the crime. Now let's take a short activity. I made 3 cases related to our topic. There are 3 groups. The first one is you are required to do that task in 3 minutes. Understandable? So, let's start our time period.
Let's go.
So easy. All of the 3 cases.
Typically, instruments of the crime doesn't not direct from the object of the crime, and this characteristic is the main feature and distinguishes the instrument of the crime from the weapons of the crime.
Okay, Petrus, please.
Causal relationship. Causal relationship is the connection between a socially dangerous act and socially dangerous consequences that results from it. In a crime with a material structure, a causal relationship is an essential element of the objective side of the crime. There are several main criteria to determine a causal relationship. First, time limitation. The act must occur before the consequence. Real expectation, the consequence must actually happen, not just be impossible. Inevitable expectation, the consequence must be a likely or unavoidable result of the act. The act and the consequence must both be social dangers and against the law. The consequences must directly and the result from the committed act. There must be a real risk that the consequence could result from the act.
Okay, guys, you did an excellent job. I'm so happy because all of you are already aware of that language, yeah? And even that topic, subjective side of the crime. Guys, sit down, please.
Cites established by the law that express the external characteristics of a socially dangerous act committed. That's to say, it's understood as a seat of the site, as indicated the methods and the ways of the committing crime. Usually, the signals are indicated in the provisions of the special part of the criminal code. And, in addition, the signals of the objective side of crime are divided in the 2 minimal groups, such as the mandatory or non-compulsory, or optional groups. Mandatory groups always include socially dangerous acts, socially dangerous consequences, and the causal connection between the socially dangerous act and socially dangerous consequences. But optional element is always includes time, place, methods, and the means of the weapon of the committed crime. And in addition, types the crime according to the criminal structure of the system are divided three maximum groups, such as material component, formal component, and the cut component. For example, material component include the socially dangerous act, socially dangerous consequences, and casual connections, but formal or cut component includes circumstances, methods, police, and casual connection.
Okay. Yes.
Socially dangerous action or inaction as necessary sign of the objective of aspect of a crime, enact movement and inaction. Action is the socially active behavior of a person, and inaction is the passive behavior of a person expressed in the failure of a person to fulfill the duties assigned to him by law and regulatory documents or other special rules. And crimes committed through inaction is not consequence of a person cannot be held criminally liable, and the legal basis for the emergence of obligations imposed on a person.
We are sorry to interrupt, but absolutely. So we'll be leaving you with your students alone, okay? So can we make our way in this part?
Yes, excuse.
Thank you for all of your attending my lesson. Okay, number, please.
Option 6 of the object escapes of the crime. The place, time, sequence, methods, events, and means of committing crimes constitutes optional scenes of the object escapes of the crime. The crime scene is a specific limited area, space, location, or geographic points where the crime was committed and completed. The time of commission of crime is a set of things that indicate the exact moment when the crime was committed. The method of committing a crime is a set of specific methods and technique used by perpetrator when committing a crime. The person who committed the crime, the weapon, the subject of the crime, or the material object used by the directly of the person. That is a material object used by the perpetrator to cause damage to an object, for example,